Oh my God, look at this. Hey, sir, is this car really for sale? I want it.
Yes, give me the money and take it.
Guys, I just bought this insane Lamborghini Reventón for only 500 bucks. It's completely rusted scrap, but we're taking it home. All right, guys, this thing is HE heavy and completely dead, so we're chaining it up properly, and let's get this beast on the trailer. Guys, we did it! This insane rusted Lamborghini Reventón is coming home with me, all for 500 bucks. Let's roll! Lamborghini is coming home with me, all for $500. Bye-bye, sir. Thank you so much. Take care. Guys, this is insane. We just scored a real Lamborghini Reventón for $500. Time to take her home. All right, guys, we just backed the trailer up perfectly to get on the highway. Now we're cruising along this insane coastal road. Rusted Lamborghini Reventón, locked and loaded. Guys, we're finally on the way home. Can't believe this rusted out Lamborghini Reventón is actually ours now. Guy with the ocean right there. We made it, guys. After that insane coastal drive, our $500 scrap Lamborghini Reventón is finally home in the garage. All right, guys, she's safe inside now. There she is, fully home in the garage. This rusted Lamborghini Reventón is ready for the full transformation. Let's get to work. All right, guys, she's safe inside now. Putting her on dollies so we can roll this beast deeper into the garage where the real work begins. What's up, guys? Our putty process is completed. This beast is coming together. Stay tuned for the sanding. It's gonna be satisfying. Guys, this is it, the moment we've all been waiting for, the team is laying down the roast red to it right now, and look.